Hey everybody, it's John, the camera shy sound guy here from Blue Ridge Big Sky. And today we're going to take a look at the Mevo Start camera. This little guy right here, the Mevo Start, a new product that came out earlier this year that's designed all about live streaming and to help you go live on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, even at the same time. And you can also record to it. So we just got the camera and we're going to take it out of its box, although I do want to say for a moment here, I got to do this just to show you that we're going to take a picture here. Yep, we are actually using a Mevo Start to record this with. So let's take a look into the box here and see what we've got, shall we? First thing you're going to want to do, take the plastic wrap off of this. Let's just go on in a little closer here. So we have this attractive box right here. It says Mevo on it. So we're going to take this out, set that aside. So here's the camera, everybody. Look at that. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand right here. So pretty nice. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do, take it from me here. I'll zoom back out. The first thing you're going to want to do, go ahead and take the plastic wrap off. We're not going to be like Grandma and Grandpa and try and preserve the life of it. The reality of it is with the plastic wrap on, it messes with the microphone. I won't tell you how many videos I shot with the wrap on before I realized that I needed to take it off. All right, so this is what the camera looks like. They say it has a 6-hour battery life, which is pretty impressive. You've got the camera. It comes with it. Inside the box, there is, let's see, a Welcome to Mevo Start booklet, a lens cleaning cloth. We're going to go through these steps in just a moment. You will also get a charger cable that fits a USB connection. They do not give you the adapter for that, but you can charge it through your laptop, or if you have a wall plug or something like that, you can charge it. You can charge it with a 12-volt adapter if you're out and about in your vehicle. And I believe that's all you get. So if you're getting the camera, you're going to want to make sure to get something to power your charger with. Also be sure to get a memory card because it does not ship with a memory card. I'm going to try out the 128 gigabyte memory card here with this one. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do then is to undo this fancy cable here so that you can charge your camera. It takes a few hours to charge. So I just happen to have a USB adapter right here. Right here on the back of the unit, this is the power button. This is the plug for an external audio source. This is the connection where you're going to charge it, and this is where you're going to put your memory card in. The bottom of it has a mount that's got the adapter in it so that you can mount it either on a regular tripod. You can flip this around and put it on what we call a European version of the mic stand that's got the smaller threaded shaft on it, or you can take it all the way out and you can mount it on a full-size microphone stand. All right, so we're going to plug this in. And these little lights are flashing in and out right here. I'm just going to zoom in. You can see we're charging. And what's going to happen is once it gets charged fully, then the light will go out, and then that's how you know it's going to be charged. So you're going to do that. Then the next thing that you want to do while you're waiting for your camera to charge is you're going to want to go to your app store and you want to download the Mevo 2.0 app. It's available for Apple devices and for Samsung devices as well. So you want to do that. And you also want to download the Mevo Mic application as well. The cool thing about the Mevo Mic app is that it will, whenever you have that installed, you can take advantage of your mobile device's microphone as a sound source. Let's say you're shooting something that's you're a ways away from the source and you don't have an external sound source plugged into it. The mobile mic or the Mevo mic app, it comes in real handy because it'll give you a mic up close, perhaps, if you're doing a presentation or something like that. And so you're gonna do that, and we're gonna wait for the battery to charge, and then we'll get started. So I'd really rather not wait for the battery to get charged because I'm really excited to get going using this camera. So since we're plugged into power, you can just go ahead and turn it on. What we're gonna do here, let me just cut you into right there. So you just hold this button down, and you hear a little beep, and it's gonna cycle through its power up cycle. You can see it's flashing green here. Or excuse me, it's flashing white right now. It's ready when it flashes green. But this is the first time we've turned this camera on. So I'm gonna show you what to expect whenever you're using this for the first time. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna launch the Mevo app. I'm just gonna go ahead and bring that up. And it's actually multiple Mevos found because I'm recording with one and I'm setting this one up for the first time. Each Mevo at the bottom of the camera, okay? So we want this one, which is, okay, just to backtrack for a second, I'm recording on Mevo 222H right now. So we'll leave that alone because you can only be connected to the camera with one device at a time. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to connect to the Mevo 2393L, which happens to be the new one that we've just started. Okay, set your iPhone's Wi-Fi network to Mevo 2393L. So we're going to come over to that. And now it says that we're ready. We're going to hit the connect button. It's asking me for a firmware update, and being the cautious sound man and video tech that I am, I'm not going to do this now. I'm going to do it later while I'm not shooting a video. Usually when this message pops up, if I'm about to do an event or a concert or a church service, I wait until after the event because nothing is worse than hitting that update button and having it fail right before you really need your camera. So we're going to do this later. And we'll get a few minutes of this busy screen, and bam, look at there. I have this camera right here. You see, I can shine it at myself. Yep, my phone that I'm controlling with. It's a lovely day out here in the Brushy Mountains, by the way. Beautiful fall day. Okay, so this guy is really up and ready to go right now. You're all set. So there you go. It's really just that simple to get up and running with the Mevo. At this point, we're ready to record, and that will be the topic of another video. Thanks for watching, everybody.